Hey guys, Jordy here for Cinecom.net and welcome back to Creative Wednesday. Now today we're going to do the impossible one-taker and we're going to do that on the brand new ZHIYUN Cranium Tree. More about this little bad boy in a moment, but first let's check out the parkour that we have behind us and the different obstacles that we have to overcome. Alright, so we're going to start here in the entrance, guys. Lorenzo is going to lay down here on the sofa and we're going to follow him as he stands up, and we're just going to go backwards through the door. And we then come here into the studio and we're going to pass the camera here over around this pillar, and Janik is actually going to do that and give the camera to me. I'm then just going to walk backwards through this very small corridor, and I'm using my hand as a guide so I can feel where I'm walking, and this way I can keep my eyes on the display of the camera, and here I can feel that I have to go through a door, so let's do that. Now this is probably the coolest thing within the entire obstacle course, guys. We've got this skateboard, and on top of that we've got this tube attached. So when I'm actually coming here, I'm going to insert the gimbal into that tube, and Janik is going to pull it backwards as Lorenzo is going to crawl through this cave tunnel. And then as the camera comes out of that tunnel, I'm going to take it over again and follow Lorenzo here throughout all of these wrecks, and we're going to end up with the final system, which is the elevator. The camera is going up together with the movement of the lift, and we keep Lorenzo in the frame as we follow him going up the stairs. And as we reach the top, Janik is actually going to pass over the camera to me. I'm standing right there, and I'm going to take over the camera, and that is the one-taker.
Now, ZHIYUN is sponsoring this video, but I can honestly say that I definitely like the gimbal a lot. So this here is the Cranium Tree. They claim it's the tiniest gimbal on the market that can hold a full-frame camera, a dedicated shotgun mic, and a built-in light, which I'll get into in a moment. Now, I haven't done my research, but it's definitely a small gimbal with a lot of power inside. I got my full-frame Sony a7R III mounted on it, and it works super smooth. The gimbal reacts very good, and it has absolutely no problem with the weight of the camera. Inside the menu, you can automatically calibrate motors, or you can adjust them manually by motor torque, the smoothness, the follow speed, and the deadband, as well as the joystick. And these are the options that I look for in a professional gimbal, as it allows you to really customize how the gimbal should react to your preference. And this was not something that ZHIYUN asked me to say. This is what I personally find one of the best features of this gimbal. And of course, it comes with a couple of different modes, like do you want the pan to be fixed or follow? You can put it in go mode to have it react really fast, or in vortex to make your gimbal fit through small spaces, etc. It has a built-in battery which can be recharged, of course. However, you can swap the batteries. Then on the side you can mount accessories like the included phone clamp. You also have an audio unit, which is really cool. And you can attach a big shotgun mic to the gimbal. This mic is even included if you buy the Cranium Tree. Now, I'm not going to use this mic for my one-taker as it makes the gimbal bigger again, but it's definitely a nice option for those who make vlogs or take interviews. Now, they've also thought about adding a light on the front, and you get a couple of filters. However, that light comes straight from behind the camera, so it doesn't really look good. You want your light coming from an angle. But hey, the option is there, and I think for quick interviews, it's definitely a nice option. And this brings me to the final thing, which is the camera control. You can hook up your camera to the gimbal itself, and you have two control wheels as well as a record button to control the camera. However, this does not work with every camera, so you need to check their compatibility list first. But that's in a nutshell what the ZHIYUN Cranium Tree is about. You can find a link in the description down below for all the information. And now let's take the Cranium Tree for a spin and do the one-taker.
I think we got it, guys. I think we do. I'm applauding, but I don't know if Janik had everything right. Did you?
I think so.
All right, guys. I'm tired as well. We've done like 300 takes right now, so let's check out the last take and see if it's any good. And that was my impossible one taker, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, maybe learned a couple new things. Also, thank you so much, ZHIYUN, for the support. You can find more information about the Cranium Tree in the description down below. Now, here on my left, guys, you can actually see how we did a fake one taker while doing a studio tour. So definitely check out that video, and don't forget to subscribe over there to see it every single week. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, stay creative. I don't think that I'm gonna break this up. I'm just gonna keep it here in the studio. This is nice.